Let's see. One right here. Oh, yep, one right here. Oh, hey, my friends. It's me, Handyman Hal. One right here. Oh, hope you're doing absolutely awesome today. I have a very special job to do today. Check it out. I'm working with Mr. D's tree service. Oh, we've got some tree branches that we need to trim and some trees to cut today. Oh, and not to mention some stumps to grind. This is gonna be a great day. Come on, let's go.
Hal's a handyman that's got a plan. Hal's a handyman. If he can't fix it, no one can.
All right, my friends, our first task today is to trim some branches. Yep, and look at what we're using. This is a really awesome bucket truck. Oh, and we've got our climber and bucket truck master up there, Mr. Dale. He's got his chainsaw on. He's got his safety gear on. You see that? Yep, check it out. He's in the bucket that's attached to a gigantic boom arm. Of course, it operates off the hydraulics. Yep, check this out. Whenever they come and park their truck, they get to have some really awesome stabilizers that stabilizes the truck. Did you hear that loud noise? Whoa, look at this. As the branches get cut, they get put into the grinder and it grinds them down to chippings. Look at that. This is so awesome. Oh yeah.
Now, Mr. Dale is using a rope to tie off some big limbs. This helps to lower them down nice and easy.
Wow, my friends, that was a gigantic limb. Now, we've got to cut it up into smaller pieces and then take it over to the chipper. Here we go. Oh, my friends, check this out. This is the wood chipper. Oh, and it can chip up branches that are extremely thick. Right in between those two barrels is where the chipper is. Yep, got to make sure that we stay clear from that area. And we've got our start button right here. So we hit the start button and it starts. Then, just in case something might get caught, we have this red bar. It's really special because This red bar is the reverse bar. We push it out, and it reverses the chipper. Then we push it back in, and it goes back forward again. And then it has a gigantic blower right here that blows all of the chippings into the back of the truck. Oh, yes. As you see, we've already got a few chippings back there now, but we've got a lot more to go. So let's get to cutting trees and chipping some wood. Let's go. Coming down. All right, my friends, we've got one side of the tree done. Now we got to trim the next side. So we had to move the truck. Now we're gonna lower our stabilizers. Okay. Right there. Perfect. And now we've got to go check the level up front here. Look, it even has a level. Just shows us if the truck is level. So we've got to make sure that the truck is level before we can operate it. So let's see. We've got to lower it down on this side. Come on. Ooh. All right, let's check that. Oh, that's good. We're in between the lines. That means we can operate the truck now. Let's go. Oh, my friends, check this out. We gotta climb up here to the top. There's a really cool cage that protects the cab of the truck. And we've got a lot of limbs up here. So, we've got to get them and toss them down. Here we go. Heads up. Here we go. Perfect. All right, my friends, check this out. This is a holly tree. It's not looking too great right now, and it's getting a little too close to the power lines and the fence. So we're actually gonna cut it down. We're getting ready for it. We cut it down, and then we get to use the stump grinder to grind down the stump. This is gonna be great. Come on, let's go. Safety first. Oh, all right, my friends. Now it's time to cut down our holly tree here. And I get to cut it down, and I get to use this awesome chainsaw. Check this out. Isn't this awesome? Yep. So we've got the chain bar here, and the bar is where the chain goes around and around and around, and then on the chain is some really sharp teeth, and that's what cuts the tree. We've got our trigger back here. Yep. And that's what makes the chain run, and we also have our brake here. Yep, we can turn our brake on and off, and that's what stops the chain whenever we press the trigger. Now, all we gotta do is get it started. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's go. Ooh. I've got some friends over there that's holding the rope so they can pull it in the direction that we want to cut. Let's see. All right. Disengage the brake. And here we go. All right, we got one. Now, we need to cut it this way. I think we got it. Perfect. Now, we gotta cut back the other way for them to fall. All right, here we go. I think we're good. Wow! There it goes! That was totally awesome! Now, we can cut the tree up and grind down the stump. This is gonna be great.
Bring on the excavator. Oh, yeah.
Oh, there it is. We got some more debris with the excavator. Oh, yes. Just a couple of little pushes, and it's right in there. Whoa. See how he's using the reverse bar to make sure everything goes in nice and smooth. All right, my friends, we've got the tree cut down, but now we've got to get rid of the stump. And what better way to do it than a stump grinder? Oh, check this thing out. This is awesome. And if you look right underneath here, there is a big wheel on here. This is the stump grinding wheel. And there's over 40 stump grinding teeth on there that are extremely sharp, and they're made from titanium. What's really cool is this machine moves in slowly and it sweeps back and forth and lowering down and coming forward as it grinds the stump. It's totally awesome. Oh, and check this out. The controls are over here. Check this out, my friends. This is the control panel for the stump grinder. It's totally awesome. You've got this nice piece of glass and protective shield here, so all of the grinding stump doesn't come flying at us. And oh, and this too. Watch this. There's actually a protective shield down here on the floor, on the ground, for my legs too. So we are completely protected from anything coming up from the grinder. Oh, and we've got these really cool joysticks here. Yep, one joystick here actually sweeps the wheel to the left and to the right. Oh, and this one actually lowers and raises the wheel. And this one moves the machine forward and backwards. Isn't that great? Well, I think we're ready to go. Let's crank it up and let's get started. All right, let's see here. Perfect. Give it a minute, and it's gonna tell us to throttle it up. Oh yeah, here we go. Make sure we're lined up just right. Won't go too much. Come back a little bit. Come back a little bit. Perfect. Now we get to turn it on. Oh, all right, here we go. Nice and easy. And we can move it back and forth. Oh yeah. A little bit lower. We're gonna move forward a little bit. Oh Check it out, we're almost finished. We're almost finished. Oh, yes, now we gotta go a little deeper into the ground. Oh, yes. Just a little bit deeper into the ground, and I think we're gonna have it. Check it out. That's perfect. Check it out, my friends. It even has a blade on the front to cover the holes up. Oh, wow. It's so cool. That's perfect. Get a little bit more there. Oh, yeah. That's perfect. Look at there. Wow. Did you see that, my friends? What we had to do is we had to lift the rope up on the branch to get it up the power line and then pull it this way and then lower it down. Oh, my friends, check this out. This is called a pull to wrap. This actually gives an extra point for the rope for all of the heavy pieces of wood. Yep. It's equivalent to 3 people holding the rope. Makes it a whole lot safer. All right, we've got a big piece. Let's get it. Well, this is a heavy one. It's a heavy one. Oh, yeah. Nice and easy. Oh, yeah. Awesome job.
Oops.
Wow, my friends, that was a gigantic tree. Look at that. Didn't look like that big all the way up there. But now, I've had to slice it into different pieces, and we're gonna take it with the excavator to the back of the truck. Wow, such an awesome day cutting down trees.
Cause we're awesome, 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 awesome. Yeah, we're awesome, 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 yes we are. And we're smart and we're cute, we're even awesome when we toot. Excuse me. We're awesome, 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 awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We'll have fun, me and you. Being awesome's what we do. Cause we're awesome. We're awesome, 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 awesome.
Oh, wow. My friends, we have had such an absolutely awesome day today. Oh, thanks to Mr. D's tree service. We got a lot of things taken care of today. We got to trim some trees today with a really awesome bucket truck. Oh, and we cut down a few trees. That was awesome. Did you see how that big, huge tree just fell down? Totally awesome. Well, and then, of course, to finish it up, we got to grind the stumps with the grinder. I think that was my favorite part. Well, thanks for watching Handyman Hal. A few more pieces of lumber to load up, and we're all set. We'll see you later.
Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help me? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. We're gonna need all of your handy tools. Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help me? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. You're gonna fix it, cause that's what you do. Looks like my car broke down, nowhere to go. I'm stuck out here on the right side of the road. What will I do? Wait a second, oh yes I know. Handyman Hal's got a truck, gonna give me a tow. In the tow truck, in the tow truck. Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help me? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. We're gonna need all of your handy tools. Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help? Can you help me, Handyman? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. You're gonna fix it, cause that's what you do. Something is wrong with the motor on this boat. It just won't start, the only thing it wants to do is float. Please start, little motorboat, please start. Will I do? Wait a second, oh yes I know. The handyman can fix it with the drill, and away we go. Woo! Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help? Can you help me, Handyman? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. We're gonna need all of your handy tools. Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help me? Oh, can you help me, please? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. You're gonna fix it, cause that's what you do. What are we gonna do with this big old pile of bricks? Big old pile, yes, big old pile. So many of them lost count after number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What will I do? Wait a second, oh yes I know. Oh yes I know. Hal's got a forklift, he can shift them like a pro. Awesome! Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help me? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. We're gonna need all of your handy tools. Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help me? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. You're gonna fix it, cause that's what you do. My car is so dirty, it needs a clean. But the water won't go through the car wash machine. What will I do? Wait a second, oh yes I know. Hal's got a wrench and he's gonna make the water flow. So awesome! Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help? Can you help me? Can you help me, please? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. We're gonna need all of your handy tools. Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help bring all those handy tools? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. You're gonna fix it, cause that's what you do. You're gonna fix it, cause that's what you do. You're gonna fix it, cause that's what you do. Awesome! Give me an H. A. Give me an A. A. Give me an N-D-Y, handyman. Again. Give me an H. A. Give me an A. A. Give me an N-D-Y, handyman. Awesome. H-A-N-D-Y-M-A-N, oh me, oh my, the handyman is such an awesome guy. Oh yes. H-A-N-D-Y-M-A-N, oh me, oh my, the handyman's an awesome friend of mine. Awesome. H-A-N-D-Y-M-A-N, oh me, oh my, the handyman is such an awesome guy. Oh yes. H-A-N-D-Y-M-A-N, oh me, oh my, the handyman's an awesome friend of mine. Awesome. Give me an H. H. Give me an